Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Ernia Tiffan. In today's video, we're gonna talk about the makeup. But in today's video, it's a little bit different because today's makeup is gonna be the makeup that will stay even though you get wet in the pool or you go swimming. So many of you guys maybe want to have some photo shoot, but at the beach or maybe by the pool, you can still have that perfect look from the makeup without having that fear to lose your makeup. So without further ado, because it's a lot, so I don't want to waste time just for like talking. So the first one here, I have the primer. This is from Dior. The primer for Dior Skin Forever and Everwear. This will help your makeup stays definitely longer. So this is very good. And then the next one is the Chanel CC cream. Maybe many of you like to use foundation for day use, but not me. That's like preference, but for me I better to use the CC cream because CC cream you know that it's not only give you extra coverage, but also it's give you some nourishment for your skin. And also this CC cream from Chanel, it has also SPF 50, so when the day is like so bright, like the sun is too strong, you don't need to worry because you will be protected by the SPF on the CC cream, as well as while it's also give you total coverage. And also this is light use, and it doesn't say here that this is waterproof, but I always use this one for swimming and to get wet and still it just stays there, so it's really good. And next is also the Fix It. This one is the concealer from Dior Fix It 2-in-1 prime and conceal. So it's basically like the primer I use for my lips, and also the concealer to conceal the dark spot and also the under eye. And then the next one is the Chanel loose powder. Actually I use it all the time, not only for the wet session, but also every time. I always use only this one from Chanel. This is so good, and it also hold the value so much because there are a lot here, so like I can use it for like 6 months. So yeah, this is really good. And then next is also the Chanel Powder Universal Compact. This is just a compact powder, yeah, but this will give you like to you know, like the CC cream, after you put the powder, it gonna give like a set, like it will stay there, and this will also help the makeup to stay there longer. And then the next one for the eyebrow, my eyebrow, this one I use this Estee Lauder, the brow multitasker, because on the other side it has this brush, right? So this is so good. And into the next one, we have the for my eyeliner, this is Chanel Paris Signature de Chanel. It actually doesn't say here that this is a waterproof, but as per my experience, that I use it for swimming, and as long as you just don't rub it, it will not go away. So this is so good because it's so easy also to apply to your face, like to make the line, you know, on your eyes. It's also easy to use. And into the next one, I have this Dior Show, this iconic over curl waterproof. So for this one, it says here waterproof, so it will definitely stay even though you go swimming and stuff. And the next one is this Estee Lauder. This is just to moisturize the lips before you apply onto the lipstick. So the lipstick here, I am using the lip tattoo from Dior. This one is the Longwear Color Tint. So after the moisturizer, I then just apply this lip tattoo. This will stay longer, definitely long time, and I love this one. They have also many shades of color. And the next one, I use this Dior. I forgot what was the name of this one, this lip gloss from Dior. I think this is Dior Show. I'm not really sure because I have quite a lot of those and it's been a while since I bought it. And then for my eyeshadow, I'm using the Chanel. This one is the Les Ombres collection, the Ombres, or I don't know how to pronounce this. This is French. I don't speak French, I'm sorry, but this is from Chanel. And then into the next one, we have this. We have this Chanel also for the blush. This is Stay, and it's the color like blend with your natural skin, so it doesn't look like you have like a red face. It's definitely very good. And then again Chanel, mostly Chanel. This the Poudre Lumiere for the shine, to give you extra shine on your face. So this one also the same. It comes with a little brush in it, this one. So good. It gives you extra shine on your face. Very good. And then last but not least, you always need this setting powder. I use the one from NYX. This one is a dewy finish and long lasting. So just spray. Yeah. So that's all my makeup. Like I always do some photo shoot by the pool or at the beach, doesn't matter. And like you see, the only thing that is waterproof for me is the mascara. And but however, my makeup always stay. And I'm gonna show you guys that I'm gonna jump to the pool and I'm gonna go back to you, and you will see that this makeup stay or not. I know that you may be thinking that why I use the mascara, but I actually use this fake eyelashes. Actually, I also use mascara because like this is the fake eyelashes is on top of my real eyelash, and I need to put it up, you know, so it will look like natural look, and they will look like one. They will unite all together. And also under for this eyelash here, I use only mascara. This is real, like if you see. So this one is my real eyelash, and I just put mascara. And yeah, so I need that one to be like waterproof, because I don't want that after jump or when it get wet and it's gonna be like you know, like fade away. Alright, so I'm ready to jump and gonna show you how it looks. Alright, we'll be right back. That's it for today's video. I hope you like this video. Please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and see you again in my next video. Bye bye.